is kicking in. Beautiful storm. Beaver tail extending all the way back. Nice vault updraft here. Dust being kicked up by the RFD right back there. And
strong rotation, baby.
Lots of bolts coming out of the anvil behind us, which makes me nervous.
There's a funnel out in the back.
It kind of looks like it.
RT coming in.
Come on, Storm, really now? That was really freaking close. No, look at it.
Look at the dust in front of us.
RFD is kicking up a tremendous amount of dust. That stuff is flying. It's getting pulled up into the updraft. Oh, you can see him coming at us.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, there's a bigger one.
Yep.
Yeah, just go slow,
Look at the
They're
cows.
not that big though. You're right there. There's some golf balls.
Yeah.
Look at them falling down.
I know, isn't that cute? Can you get out of that video?
Turn your windshield wipers off for just a second. I can't tell if I am or not. Yeah, I think I am. Oh, that is so cool.
Isn't that awesome? Right there. Size of quarters, this makes
Well,
it good.
well, there's a couple golf balls that were in there.
Oh, they're wet hailstones.
Yeah, they're
very
wet.
wet.